What's up, guys? Today we are playing ERLC, and today is an update review video, I guess. Drew, say hi.
Hello.
And then, so today, okay, guys, so, I scream at this part. Drew, you know, say, you know I scream, say that.
I know you scream.
Even Drew knows. So, anyone who's watching this video with headphones, please just lower the volume. And rest in peace, headphone users. We are gonna be. Shut up! Shut up!
Guys, don't worry about that.
Y'all heard nothing, okay? Let's cough. Let's cough real quick. So, you like trains?
Yeah, red fan.
Drew, you should yell "shut up" too.
Nah. He's a nice guy.
He's pulling me down! Oh, I got him.
What
are
fish?
you? A mohawk fish.
What?
Well,
Shut up! Shut up!
back anytime.
Guys, do not
Get out there, my name on it.
Drew, this sheriff cited me for warning, too good at fishing.
Him?
Yeah. Ski.
You're better. I'm the one that's been.
Final warning before I arrest you. Oh, I love people who roleplay. Yeet. I feel like she's gonna cite you next. Ooh, blue thing. Frick.
Cryptic.
This old shack seems better.
Shut up! I got a gold one! Drew, I have a gold one!
Look at these beauties.
Shut up! Ah! Okay, guys, so just another peaceful moment of fishing right here. Excuse me.
I'm standing all the way back here.
Oh, I got a fish! No! Oh, frick. Oh.
Run.
Stop. Oh, dang! Drown!
This guy. I'm gonna push him into the water.
I got a bright herring.
I already got one of those.
Shut up.
Howdy, Fisher.
Shut up!
Folks say there's a ghost fish in these waters.
If you talk again, I will rip those precious braids of yours from your beard. I will remove the entire beard myself, you hear me?
Oh my god!
I will!
I know you have that chat. It's bread.
I will rip off those braids from your beard! I will do it right now! That goofy old bullet looks ugly, man!
My god.
Ah! Ah! Sorry.
Wait, so you're saying if I give him this fish, you'll rip his beard off?
I will rip off his beard! I am serious!
Speaking.
I'm getting pulled. Dang it! Drew, look, it's your bald twin.
Hold up.
Ow. Ow, stop hitting me. Ah! Gosh. Okay, guys, moving on to the next update. And shut up! Oh, I'm dying.
I have a surprise for you.
What is
Can
it?
I show you it?
In what?
In here.
Sure.
Well, wait, go to, are you going to that other fish?
Okay, guys, next update. Sheriff's office. Okay. So, so these gates, apparently, they open when, like, a sheriff car comes, like, oh, I still have you. Okay. There's, yeah, and then this opens, and then, yeah. Excuse me, I'm dying.
Why?
Drew, you're too fat.
Come on, you can do it. My weight defies all laws of physics. Ow! I'm sorry.
Okay, guys, next update is this Chevlon Inferno. I have no idea what card this is, so if you know it, leave it down in the comments. If I press purchase, it says free right there. But if I press purchase, it needs a game pass. Same thing with this one. It's buyable, but still. Oh, new updating coming again. Just kidding. The game already updated. Yay. We'll just do...
No.
We'll just do this Tahoe, for example.
I don't want to go back to jail.
And we'll do... There should be a new light... Oh, this one. Oh, that's
I don't want to
cool.
go back to jail.
Oh, we have a new light bar, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool.
Aw, man.
Wait, that's so cool, though. Wait, I want to see what this looks like. Drew, did you get arrested? Drew, did you get arrested?
Yes and no.
Oh, that's so cool. Wait, that's
I'm
so
running away
cool.
from the cop while I'm detained.
Wait, that's so cool. That's so cool. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, they added rotary light
Ow,
bars.
he pepper sprayed me.
Bro, they added rotary...
You shut up.
Make me!
See, no.
Oh my gosh.
See, no. See, no. Singing?
No, Drew, you have to join the team. Drew.
Ron. No, Ron.
Yes.
On 5.
Next updated thing, I should say. Where is it? Oh. Alright, everyone, just so you know, the update is in the parking garage. Perfect. Okay. Drew, get out.
Okay, look.
Get out. Skedaddle! You know what?
You suck. Are you unlocking it? Ron. Are you unlocking it?
You can't get out.
Did you unlock it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Okay.
Let me drive.
Okay, guys, so, this is the new... You're fired. Go.
No.
Shoot my car again. I don't have Robux for this, bro. Okay, so as I was saying, so this is the new, okay, so as I was saying, this is the new parking garage, guys. So, we got my car over there that Drew was shooting. Let me just lock my car real quick.
Sorry.
And we got new stuff. Let's just walk around, or drive around, I should say. Shut up. Okay, we got the spotlights on. Let's put one there. Okay, so we got new stuff. All right.
Go fishing.
After the video.
I
So
wanna go fishing now. Let me go fishing.
okay, fine. You can go fishing. You can switch to civilian. Okay, so this
No, I
is
wanna go fishing with you.
no. You fish by yourself, idiot.
I'm sorry.
All right, guys. So we're back in River
That you
City.
did so. Oh.
Get out. No, not today. I ain't dealing with you today, bro. Not today, bro. Not today. Not today. Oh, I see one. Oh! Come here, son! Come here! Come here!
I'm watching you.
Come here! No, come here! I got him. I got him. Yeah, so can I order a donut? Can I order a donut?
You have to order. I click play.
Thank you.
Now I have to pay. Now you have to. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Lily's emo.
What? Oh, frick, your dog. No, wait, that's not your dog. That's your mama's dog. Oopsie. Fight me. Ah! Ow. Frick you. Runner. That character's overrated, I'm actually not gonna lie.
You finally.
I want to scream so bad right now. Die!